What up, guys, and welcome to the Chop Shop. I kind of wanted just to do like a pre-intro because this episode and everything about it went to hell. I had ran out of town, technically out of state, to grab what was to be a free project, and everything that could have gone wrong did. I made it like a 16th of the way home with it before I left the project stranded on the side of the road. Doesn't belong to me. I kind of don't care, but here's how our little adventure went. Not necessarily fixing anything, built anything, but had intentions again on bringing a new project home, and I failed. So check it. Today at Eppy's Chop Shop, we're going to get a boat. Aren't we, Obi? You got bad breath. Oh, all right. Still going to get a boat. What up, guys? Out of Michigan, back here in South Bend, and over here at one of my mom's properties. I can't remember this doctor's name, but the doctor who previously owned this property recently passed away, and they come to find out that he was illegally doing abortions and throughout all processes of pregnancy. I don't mean to be brutal, but this is one of his properties they had to search. They found, I think it was 100 and some odd baby fetuses in his basement, and a trunk full of them as well. This is one of his properties. And right behind it, in this here alley, someone has abandoned a boat on my mom's property. And I'm gonna go check this bad boy out. And by the way, that's totes a true story I told you. I didn't just make that up. You can Google it. Look up South Bend. I don't really know, infant abortion doctor or something like that one anyway. But I don't know anything about boats. I'm not going to pretend like I do. This is an Evinrude engine. And it does spin freely. I don't hear it making compression one way or the other. I don't know if I necessarily should or not. If these make enough that I would not hear it. From what I can tell, this thing's been abandoned because it got forgotten about. And this is just years and years of leaf decay and wood rot. The hull, I guess the boat itself seems to be really solid. Not found any holes or scratches, gouges in it. The trailer is super solid. The steering works. The carb linkage and everything appears to be in all solid, good working shape. I think someone just didn't want to put the effort into bringing this thing back to life. But it looks like it's plywood and 2x4s, and this stuff can't be expensive. I mean, this is even thin plywood here. Look at that. That's what this is constructed of from the factory. I can do better than that. I can do way better than that. I can't hold my phone, but I can build shit better than that. God, it looks pretty solid. I mean, even the wiring down to the hitch, the locking mechanism, it's got its chains. Pressure rope hoist this dude up. Only thing stopping me from moving it, I think, is this here flat tire. I don't know what the grease situation here is about, but I'm gonna see if I can't get this tire off, run it back to my mom's house, throw some air in it, and see if it holds it. If it holds air, I'm gonna take it home. What up, guys? It's a couple days later. We're gonna go pick the boat up. We had to run some numbers on it, make sure that I wasn't stealing a boat that's already stolen, was previously stolen. Anyway, my stepdad is a retired cop, currently works for the county. Also currently doing a impression of Tim Allen's impression of Santa Claus. But you might be able to see him later. That was a good one. That was like that in my head. So he made those numbers go through real quick. He's got some connections in law enforcement. So we're gonna go pick this boat up. So, as you just saw, get the boat. I'm back to my mom's, returning some tools here. And I know I talked about this mess over here and that, but a lot of you don't know the reason we left town is because of reasons like this. And shootings happening all around our house. And literally, while I was putting the tire on this thing, I heard a fucking gun get unloaded. People scatter, people come, people go. They got a block shut down. Literally probably 200 feet from us. Someone probably just got smoked. This is our old neighborhood. Going?
Yep.
Okay, so after making an hour-long drive twice, replacing a tire twice, having to go to Menards to get different haunches and balls to make this fucking boat happen, a shooting, dealing with crackheads and all the bullshit. We didn't even make it out of town before the tire came off of the rim. I had already made up my mind that if something happened with this boat after all the bullshit that it had caused, I was pulling over and I was leaving the motherfucker on the side of the road. And that's exactly what I did. It's not registered or titled to me or anybody I know. So I unplugged the motherfucker, left it on the side of the road. So there's your episode of Eppy's Chop Shop.